Before buying a vocal processor, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Boss VE22 Vocal Performer. First up is the Boss VE22 Vocal Performer, a standout in the vocal processor world. I was immediately drawn in by its powerful harmony and doubling functions, priced at $488.15. If you want to take charge of your vocal sound with a professional touch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has essential features like compression, EQ, delay, echo, and reverb. That means you can really shape your sound to match your style. Plus, the automatic pitch correction can fine-tune your vocals or push them into an aggressive electronic tone, which is perfect for live performances or recordings. With over 100 sold in the last month, it's a popular choice among singers looking for quality. Now, some people complained about its price. It's on the higher end. Here's the thing though, while it might be pricey, the quality and versatility you get can genuinely enhance your performances. If you're serious about your singing, this investment could be worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a performer needing reliable effects on stage or in the studio. Skip this one if you're just starting out and looking for something more budget-friendly. For what you get, it's a solid investment for serious vocalists. Now, if the price of the Boss VE bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FLAMMA FV01 Vocal Effects Processor. Next, we have the FLAMMA FV01 Vocal Effects Processor, which is definitely more budget-friendly at $174.96. I was intrigued by its pitch correction features, ideal for singers looking for a compact solution. If you want essential effects without breaking the bank, this one's worth checking out. This means you can easily switch between different EQ manipulations to find the sound that suits you best. It can also serve as a microphone amplifier, which adds to its versatility. With over 100 units sold recently, it seems to be gaining traction among live performers and streamers alike. Now, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit of time to get used to its controls. Here's the thing, once you learn how to navigate it, the sound quality you can achieve is really impressive for the price. If you're patient, you'll find it's a great tool. This is perfect for you if you're a live performer or streamer looking for an affordable, reliable vocal processor. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features or if you're not comfortable adjusting settings on the fly. For its price, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for singers who love loops. Product number 3, TC Helicon VOICLIVE Play. Coming in at $290.36, the TC Helicon VOICLIVE Play is next on the list, and I have to say it caught my attention with its looping capabilities. If you want a processor that helps you build harmonies and layers while performing, this is worth a serious look. It also features a vocal cancel option, which lets you sing along to your favorite tracks without the original vocals. Plus, with its embedded mics, the Room Sense technology auto-detects the key for harmonies, making it super user-friendly. This one is getting recognized fast, with 50+ units sold recently. Some users have expressed a desire for more customization options. Here's the thing though, while it may not be as customizable as some competitors, the presets are so well crafted that they can practically do the work for you. It's ideal for those who want great sound without fiddling too much. This is perfect for you if you love building harmonies live and want an easy-to-use processor. Skip this one if you prefer complete control over every setting. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. If the VOICLIVE Play feels a bit limiting, the next model is designed specifically for those who want a bit more flexibility with harmonies. Product number 4, FLAMMA FV04 Vocal Harmony Pedal. Next up is the FLAMMA FV04 Vocal Harmony Pedal, priced at $152.14. I was impressed by its 11 different harmony modes and the pitch flexibility it offers. If you want to explore harmonies while keeping things affordable, this one could be just what you need. It allows you to switch between major and minor scales, giving you a lot of creative freedom. The dedicated reverb effects for each input enhance its usability, making it a great all-in-one solution. With 50-plus units sold, it seems to be a favorite among multi-instrumentalists. Some feedback mentions that it may require some tweaking to get the sound just right. Here's the thing, once you figure it out, the range you can achieve is impressive, and it's hard to beat for the price. This is perfect for you if you're both a vocalist and guitarist looking to add harmonies to your sound. Skip this one if you're only interested in vocal processing without the instrument input. For its price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the FV04's limitations worried you, the last product on our list offers a more comprehensive solution for both vocals and guitar. Product number 5, TC Helicon Play Acoustic. Finally, we have the TC Helicon Play Acoustic at $366.44. This one really stood out to me with its professional vocal effects and guitar integration. If you want a processor that enhances both your singing and guitar playing, this is worth a serious look. It includes effects like reverb, delay, and even feedback-proofing options to keep your acoustic sound clean. With 50-plus sold recently, it appears to be a popular choice among acoustic performers. Some users have pointed out that it can be overwhelming with its features at first. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest some time in learning how to use it, the payoff is huge in terms of sound quality and versatility. This is perfect for you if you're an acoustic performer who wants seamless integration between vocals and guitar. Skip this one if you're looking for something more straightforward without too many bells and whistles. For what you get, it's a worthy investment. Now, let's wrap up our exploration of these fantastic vocal processors. So there you have it. The Boss VE is great for serious performers. The FLAMMA FV01 offers budget-friendly flexibility. The TC Helicon VOIC-LIV Play is perfect for looping lovers, while the FLAMMA FV04 brings harmony options for multi-instrumentalists. And finally, the TC Helicon Play Acoustic excels in integrating vocals and guitar. No matter your style or needs, there's a vocal processor here for you. Choose wisely and happy singing.